Well, here we are on Wednesday, 2nd of July, day 3 of the summer sailing camp at Charlotte Harbor Yacht Club with the Charlotte Harbor Youth Sailing Group. Kids are getting the boats ready, and we're going to be doing some sailing drills, going to do a few races, maybe a little backward sailing practice, and play a little tag, throwing water bottles. Hopefully nobody will get hit in the head. Water bottle into the sail, play tag within a set of boundaries to practice maneuvering the boats while having fun doing it. Hey Jordan, the key is in the boat and the radio's in your boat. Okay, we're good to go. I'm going to go set the course up. Well, at the end of the day, we're having a little game of tag. Set up a diamond perimeter and let them go at it, and actually, they missed them. Actually, they're sailing better now than they were when they were concentrating on racing. They seem to be having a little more fun, too. No. That just gets them practicing climbing back into the boat. Well, they went swimming, that's all right. Well, you can't throw it to windward and expect to hit them. That's one of the things they're going to learn. And time to put the boats away. Thursday, July 3rd, and we will be having lessons tomorrow, but today we are one youth sailor down, so we're going with 2 420s and 1 laser radio. So Caroline ought to have some fun zipping in and around and the other 2 boats.